Hello, everyone. Hope you're having a good day. Um, this is a little skit on the Liberty Garden 712 multi-directional garden hose reel. I put in a post so that I could connect it right to my pergola earlier in the spring. I would recommend getting something like this as opposed to the plastic garden hose you see, garden hose reel up there that you see, because number one, if you have a heavy garden hose like the one that's on there, that Goodyear rubber hose, that thing is like 100 pounds when it has water in it, and that plastic reel just does not hold up for that. It's not a bad reel, but it doesn't hold up for that. So what I did is I just connected a post to my pergola. So we have a freeze line for the pergola here in Northeast Ohio. But for just this post to hang on, there was no need to go as low as the freeze line, which I believe is like 36 inches or so. So just put a little cement in there, and I'm just making sure that it's plumb. I'll take a couple of old pieces of scrap wood, and it's important to understand that you do want to use just what you have laying around. You don't have to go buy new scrap wood, or anything will do. I'll save these pieces forever until they rot out to do work just like this. So I'll nail this together. I'll make sure that this is nice and plumb, nice and even. This is very important because you don't want your garden hose reel to be off plumb, and then, it won't make a world of difference, but it'll be a lot better if it's exactly level, because when you go to reel in, it's way easier. So we'll check it out here, give you an idea of what's going on. I had to do this on 2 separate days because one, it had gotten cold, and then it started raining. So unbox this Liberty garden hose reel. It's only like 3 pieces in there. It says it won't rust. We'll see. There's been many times that I've used things that, or purchased things that said that it was stainless steel or coated or whatever, and it didn't rust. But we'll see. We'll check back in 6 months and see if got any rusted parts. I'm gonna add some hanger brackets on my post here, just making sure that those are nice and level, so when my 2x4s go in there, will be level. What I did not realize is basically how dull my saw blade was, so that's okay. Get the other saw out, and then we'll go purchase another saw blade. Put the other hanger bracket on. Make sure it's nice and plumb, nice and level. And I'm gonna add a bottom board and a middle piece. So I'm lining it up just to get kind of an eyeball view of where I want it. Now you can hang this on the side of your house. You don't have to build a whole new bracket. I'm going to stain this the same color as the pergola that's on, the color that's there. So it'll blend in real nice. But I didn't want to drill through my siding and, into the house and trying to find, I wanted to make sure I found the stud, obviously, if I did that on the house. There we go. Put another bracket in right here. 2x4s will fit nice and snug with these hanger brackets are great. I remember years ago you didn't have the hanger brackets, and you would just, take a screw and screw it right into the wood. These hanger brackets allow you to make adjustments. Just add this arm on here. That is nice and level. And now, as you can see, this 150 foot of 0G hose takes me to the other end of my yard. I can go around the front, I can go on the side, I can spray. This thing is awesome. So what I'll do now, look at how I reel it in. Nice and easy. No big deal, 150 feet. So now I'll take a piece of this Goodyear rubber hose here that's on the plastic bracket, and I will make a longer leader hose. And the reason why I'm making a longer leader hose to go into this multi-directional garden hose is because if I ever decide to move it, I don't want to be, oh, I need to make a longer hose or whatever. This will tuck away nice and neat behind the plant right there. And so it's just a matter of just adding another male connector onto the cutoff piece of garden hose, and then adding that to that green leader that's coming down out of the house. I don't know why they put that garden hose so high. It's like 70 inches from the ground. It's like really weird, but you know. So there you go. Everything is nice and level, perfectly in between the lines. Again, plumb it out, level it out, and you will have a nice little garden hose reel to use for your liquids. So I can go and I can buy some liquid weed and feed, hook it on the end of this, and wow, I'm done. Thanks for joining.